Crash, crash, boom. Metal pipe sound effect. Boom, crash. Bomb sound effect. Stasis sound effect. Why is there a stasis sound effect? You don't want to know. Okay. Magnesis sound effect. What? Oh, I get why. You're playing Breath of the Wild.
Leave me alone.
No.
We should probably go check out the house, by the way. No, I'll just do my own business.
Help. Yeah, no.
Ooh.
Just kidding.
Ooh,
Okay,
I'm definitely gonna land in water.
This looks a little too heavy for me to lift. I know I was able to lift that weight all the way over there, but oh my goodness, that looks heavy. Wait, let me check that. 1,000. My goodness, 1,000? Definitely need Olimar and Ochi. Olimar, Ochi. Olimar, Ochi. Voice crack, or voice crack, whatever. Hey, no one will be able to hear you with your. Hey, no one will be able to hear you with your indoor voice. They're far away.
Not feeling too good.
Actually, what's wrong? What's wrong? Did you eat the deep fried water? Yes or no?
I ate the food that came out of Ochi's mouth.
Ew. Okay, okay, here's some fried water. I'll shove it down your throat. This maybe will.
Please don't.
Hey. Hey, Ochi. Hey, Axie's voice actor. Let me just use my normal voice because I'm talking to him. We forgot about the fried water. We forgot about the water that was under there from our sleepover. Oh my goodness. Ow, 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 you hurt my foot. I hurt my foot. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. I'm fine, guys. I'm fine. Here's...
Alright, bomb sound effect. Ow.
Here's the fried water. This will make me feel better.
Done.
Guys, I'll be right back. My stomach's not feeling good. Here, you film it.
Okay. So what? Add, please. Add. Please put an ad. Okay. Guess we'll just record this. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm by my rose. Water. Yippee. We have to wait a little bit. Alright. So, Purple Pigman's voice isn't feeling too good right now. So that's why I did it with a moment of silence.
Why? That's red why.
Sorry. Okay. Back. That's fine. Actually, recording skills aren't too good. Sorry about the wait. Okay, so we'll quickly just lying here uncautious. I don't know how long this will take. Maybe like 5 minutes. Sorry. Guess I'll fight. Fuck you. Yeah, just gang up on him. Please. I think you're dead. Yeah, it's a
I
beat
feel
up
better. And also, by the way, this is what do you say? But this is behind the camera. Well, this is not what it's actually supposed to be happening right now. So, yeah.
Let's just restart.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done being that for now. Why is the ground rumbling? Whatever. That'll probably be at like the 10-minute mark. Okay, Olimar and Ochi should be arriving by now. Come on, Ochi. I know you're not Moss, and I like riding on Moss because she used to be my space dog. And I loved her. But she has to stay on this planet forever. There they are. There. Dang it. There they are. Axie, the console battery's low.
Can you go fit me a charger?
No, that is going to be after this video. And also, guys, I'm going to do like the quick turn head that you see in some. Bombastic side eye. Meme. Axie meme. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Okay, watch it.
Thank God. And
Okay, okay. Okay, purple Pikmin here. Yeah, that's too heavy for me to lift. Oh, okay. Let me try my helping hand I just got from Louie. That menace that eats the creatures on here, he literally killed half of this. Okay. Wait, guys. Purple Pikmin said that the ground will be something from the ground will be rising up from now at the 10-minute mark, but now we're going at the 12-minute mark because we gotta do something. Oh, gee, maybe you can swallow it? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Ow, guys, this is getting better now. Right here. The really bad scab.
Please don't eat my game. No.
I'll put the SS dolphin right here. There's bread bugs aren't here. There's nothing here. Oh, thank goodness you guys came. We were worried that we wouldn't get out of here. Or are you gonna have your daily immortal god fight with Axie? Too tired. Got crushed. Don't want to move. You're an immortal god, remember? Axie, give him a taste of your medicine. Best friend, you hit it in my eye. If you're wondering why I can't say his name, it's because I don't want you to say his name in the comments. Ever. Okay, fine. I'll go into spectator mode. Bang, 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 boom, pow, bang. Translation, can I join?
Go. Go.
Translation, so can I join?
You stay away. I don't want your slobber on my video games. Last time that happened, I got sick.
Translation for Ochi, but in one of the shorts, Ochi overpowers Axie. I overpower you. Does that mean I get to join in? Okay, that's it. I'm going to drink this creative potion. Ochi! Everyone, rest. Everyone, put to F for put F for Ochi and Zero Oro. They're dead for now. Actually, I already said that they're dead. Time to create juice. Now I have creative mode. Dang it, it's at the 14-minute mark. Dang it. Okay. This time it'll be at the 16-minute mark. Let these immortal gods have their daily
friend too. I think we should restart. There's like 5 minutes of the videos plain silence.
Really?
Yeah.
Just build this suspense, okay? Just build this suspense. Or you know what? Let's just start the ground shaking at this point. Okay, where's Omar and okay. Okay. Rumble, 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 rumble. Rumble, 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 rumble. A Molduga comes out of nowhere. Somehow this is a transparent one, which means, yay! It was going to spit me out. That does not look good. Uh, Purple Pikmin. Purple. Sorry. Oh, Axie. Can the Molduga eat you? And like it before the Molduga eats you, can you turn into poison type? So your blood is poison instead blood. Because your favorite Pikmin type is white Pikmin.
I can use my sheer stupidity to get out.
Okay.
Because I'm immortal, I can literally survive in the stomach. Just have to use my sheer stupidity.
I'm going to dissolve myself to see what happens. So I guess the main attention is Axie now. Oh my goodness. Why is my stomach not feeling good again? Why? Probably it's the 4 slices of pizza that I ate. Yeah, definitely the 4 slices of pizza that I ate.
Shouldn't have ate those.
Translation: I'll never slobber on your games again. I promise. I will never do it again.
Well, we're best friends now.
Yay! Yay! Translation: yay! They're just building a fort there. Don't worry about them.